Welcome. My name's Brian Knight and I live near Melbourne in Australia, and it's just about to turn 5:30 in the morning on a Wednesday for me. It actually is the 1st of November in my part of the world at the moment. Let me just share this screen to start with. Welcome, Darren and Tom.
Oh, Brian.
Hey, everybody.
So welcome to this analysis session. There's a few notes there. There's a full risk disclosure and a little bit about us as live session traders. So we can see, we'll see today maybe how the market can chew you up and spit you out a little bit.
Happens to the best of us.
It does, doesn't it? Yeah, I had a UCAD that chewed me up and spat me out.
Well, what's kind of funny is I couldn't get the X48 to show up.
Oh yeah,
the little triangles. So I went down to a 1 hour, got sidetracked, forgot I was on the wrong time frame, put a trade on, and lost in almost like 1 nanosecond.
yeah. No.
It happens.
That's exactly right. That's what happens. Happens to the best and the worst and the whatever. So yeah, so I placed on, I think I said I placed on a CAD CHF for a buy, and that's been positive. There was a UCAD that I put on for a sell, and that came up and basically stopped me out. Put on here, came down, and it was, I think it must have been about midnight time when that bounced, that poked up and got me. I got a message, so like an email from my broker that it had, and it gives me a time. So we had a push down sign there, right? That's great. And on the daily, we've got those there as well. But it is pushing up. So on the daily, it's still reacting off these buy signals down the bottom here. And there's 1, 2, 3 for 3 points, and that's great. It did a push down, a push down. This was only a very, very short one, and then it's pushed back up again. So, and if you look on the 2 hour, the buy here is still relative to this. I saw that and went, okay. And at this point, it had pushed down. It hadn't quite broken structure on that point, but for me, that was crazy close enough, and it wasn't. But anyway, I just didn't want to get in too late for it. Welcome, Rio.
Hello.
So, yeah, so that was a loss on that one, but I'm still up on the on that CAD CHF. I also got myself in for an AUD CAD. You'll see where this comes up here, and the FOREX. So there's a number of sell points I got in somewhere here, I think it was, or maybe in there. I think it was that. So it was pulling back up and then it's pushed back down. So where am I at with that one? It's only early on it. AUD CAD. Oh yeah, I'm down 8 pips. So I must have got him down here somewhere and it's pulled back up slightly. that would have been more positive. That so I'm looking at this to potentially continue down. Some imbalance down here, so we'll see. I also put on the AUD CHF. This is not looking good. There's a stop loss just above there, and I got in there, so I'm down about 40 pips on this one. We will see. And the other one I put on was an AUD USD. So that was nice. I'm just complementing what I have anyway. There we go. Oh. SHA doesn't want to show up. Okay, we'll just go to the 1 hour. And remember to go back to the 2 hour. We'll see if the SHA will, yeah, there it is. So the reason I got in was here, the color had changed. Got in, it pulled back up. What would that have been? We got in 24 down, and now it's, you know, would have been 34 up. It's now only, 12 or so that I'm in positive on this one. So there's those, yes. And I'm in another AUD USD as well. So I'm in 3 AUD USDs at the moment. So, Darren, you said you're in 8 trades. What have you chosen? Are these ones you've had long term, or are you just ones you've only just taken? I think you're talking about long term from a daily perspective. You might be a bit occupied at the moment. Anyway, we'll come back to that. So, Tom, have you got any others, or?
I've been in and out of trades all day. Yeah. Lost a few, won a few.
Yeah.
The only one I currently have running right now, actually, there's 2. I'm in that AUD as well, the CAD.
Yeah, the AUD can,
Excuse
just
me.
waiting for it to, change over in session city, and then hopefully Tokyo, and that will push it down further. We'll see. My only concern is, like, over on the day here, you can see where it had been long term down. It sort of hit a swing low, created a higher low, and it's creating some higher highs. So this may be a short-lived sell. Get ready to get out. And probably, I mean, one of the things after changeover, I'm going to go through these and look at where my stop losses are and tighten them up a little bit for potentially any jump ups that might occur.
Are you in a Euro GDP? Sorry, Euro JPY?
No. So you are in a Euro JPY. Okay. Yeah, you mentioned in the chat that the JPYs had done a jump.
Excuse me.
Yeah, and then it pushed up. So where are you at the moment? Are you still in this one, or?
Sorry, I had a coughing fit for the second.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, I'm still in this one.
Yeah, even though we've got a couple of triangles up in here.
Right. So what I'm waiting for is to confirm is a sell signal and the ribbon to turn red.
Okay. And the sell is off this is it
Twin,
off the Wyckoff?
Twin range.
Oh, twin range, sorry. That's right. Right. You got a long there, but no short. Okay.
And then that ribbon has to turn red.
Yeah.
That's my new criteria. That's
Okay.
my 3-step trade.
So
triangle,
it's,
sell, and the red ribbon,
yeah,
and or opposite going the other direction.
yeah, or animal green long, and the change in the ribbon.
Yep, that's it.
Okay.
Simple trading.
So you're back using the twin range then, Tom?
I am.
I thought you ditched that.
I did for a while. What I
Yeah.
didn't like was I now want that sell signal to match with the triangle. I'm not necessarily going to trust these ones in here in the middle. So I'm not really going to pay attention to those anyways.
Yeah.
But I've noticed when you get the sell signal with the triangle, those moves pretty hit accurately.
Mm. Yeah.
And Darren, you were saying you're in 8 trades. I just mentioned before that from a daily perspective. Do you want to run through those? Let's go have a look.
Yeah, sure.
This has been going sideways for a while. So look at this. I love this sort of stuff. This is on the daily, but look at this. You push down here and then straight away it's done that. Just this. Turtle suit, bang, then we'll take it in the direction we want. Okay, so what do we got, Darren?
AUDCHF for the buy.
Oh, right. Oh my gosh. Okay.
These are all daily for the buy. CHFJPY for the sell.
So you've got that there. Okay, for the buy. Yeah, this is the one. Yeah, okay. Sorry, what was the other one?
CHFJPY for the sell, but that's just sort of in a bit of draw. That's the only one that's in a bit of drawdown at the minute, is this one.
Yeah, because okay.
Yeah.
Hang on, I'm waiting for just a second.
Sorry, yeah. No, is it slow?
No. Don't be sorry. I'm just waiting for the no, it's not kicking in. No, okay. So let's go 4 hour. And let's go back to data. I'm just waiting for the 48 to X48 to kick in. Amazing that sometimes when you're running away. Yeah, there we go.
So you're in this for a buy?
Sell.
For a sell.
But we don't have a.
Yeah,
I don't have a triangle either.
I did. Yeah. Yeah. I've got 2 red triangles on the daily.
They haven't. Okay. Right. That's interesting.
What are your settings on X48? Sorry, on the. I know they'll be the same. I've not changed the settings on X48 to be honest. No. That's unusual.
I changed that to 2.4, but that's closer in. That's what. Is that what you had?
Yeah, I'm 2.4. 110, 2.4, 4 and 1. Yeah, exactly the same. No, I've got 2.
And you've got 2 up there.
I have, yeah. On the daily, yeah.
Oh God. But look, I'm looking at the daily here going like, well, you're right. I mean, Darren, that if we look at it, like this has been, hang on, I'll turn that off for a minute. This has been going up and up and up and up and up and up for ages.
Yeah, I don't expect it to be a huge pullback, but I think hopefully I'll ride it down to the bottom line of the channel, and then maybe after that we'll pick up sort of a buy direction again.
Okay,
that's what I'm sort of thinking.
So yeah, okay. So the broker you're using is...
Oh, mine just showed up. I have 2 triangles too.
How did you get? Okay.
I'm using FXCM in terms of the feed on trading.
Yeah.
I mean, it's not my broker, it's just the feed I'm
Yeah, I know. Have you got a green one down here?
Yes,
Mhm.
yeah.
And Tom, you've got
I've got
You've
two
got-
up there.
weed, and uh the SHA has turned red.
Yeah, I've got
But then it's pulled back up, as you said, you're in drawdown.
yeah, I had a short on the twin range as well. So it initially went into profit. Well, as you can see, hit the middle line of the channel, and then it's in a bit of drawdown at the moment.
Yeah, but
You
that's
got
a
a short
pullback.
there.
Pull back, yeah.
This is a pullback before it drops out further. So I got a short and I've got that, but I don't have the triangle.
Try
That's-
2.3.
Well,
Maybe that just works better with your feed.
maybe. Let's see.
It's calculating.
Yeah. There's a lot to calculate. There's heaps in that.
There we are.
There you go.
There's one there.
Okay.
Okay. Well, this might be a good time to get into this now, though, after this pullback,
Yeah.
and that
Could be.
and that Darren's now got in and told us that it was now it's done the pullback. Now it's ready to get in.
I mean, Euro CH. Sorry, did you want me to carry on?
Yes,
Sorry.
please.
Euro CHF for the buy, which that's traveling quite nicely at the moment.
Yeah, it is too, isn't it?
Yeah, that's probably the best at the minute in terms of the way it's traveling.
Profit. Yeah, look at that. The green's there, and you got a long, and you got a
Yeah.
change. Okay. But that could be pretty short-lived too, though, because
It could be, yeah.
when you look at it, it's more of a downtrend than anything else. Okay.
Well, if we can get to the top line of the channel, I'll probably come out then, and then, as you say, because I think
Wait for a red and a short and get in for this. Okay, no worries, Darren. Yeah. Next.
Pound CHF,
And
which is sort of similar
you're
to
doing a few CHFs. Okay, for a buy at the moment.
yeah.
Okay.
I mean that I got the one green triangle, but it pushed way outside the channel, so
Yeah.
so you get a nice big sort of rebound on that one.
Yeah, I've got two there with a long.
Yeah, two. Sorry, yeah, I've got two green
and a change to green there. Tom, sorry, Darren.
Yes.
Tom, I mean, you've got these two triangles there, and you got a long. How would you play this? Because you don't have a green until there. Would you wait to get in at that candle, or you got a long on that one? Is that just a
Well, for me, I would take the long.
Okay.
Because it's on that side.
Green,
yeah, but it's above. It's on that side.
Okay, no worries. No, just
and
a question.
It's taking the wick of the prior candle.
Yeah, correct. All right. Okay, thanks.
next. Pound US dollar, which is sort of messing me around quite a bit. The minute it's sort of gone sideways.
Yep.
Yeah.
It's got ups and downs all over the joint.
I wait for this one to decide too.
Yeah.
It's like, come on, man, pick a direction already.
Well,
I mean, Euro USD for the buy, which again is behaving similar to pound US dollar, really.
Oh, these still, yeah, okay.
Pound Aussie dollar.
Wow, you're really okay, yeah.
Which had a bit of a pullback, but it's going up again. But
are you in this what for a buy?
yeah, for a buy, yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Cool.
So I got in that few days. Well, last week I got in that one.
Yeah, and you're looking at this to come up to at least the other side of the,
Yeah,
if not break the high. Okay.
yeah. NZD CHF. I got in that one yesterday.
You like these CHFs, don't you? Yeah.
Yeah.
They're more of a stable, longer term trade though, aren't they? Anything with the CHF. Yeah, okay, you're in a buy on this one. You got a long, you got that. Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Can we pause here for a second?
Sure.
Because I'm in this one. So do you guys think it's going to go back up and hit the other side of that rail?
Yeah.
I think it'll sort of match. Yeah, it'll go. Yeah. But that's what I'm that's what I'm hoping it'll do. That's what I think.
Okay. Yeah,
will-
then I'm getting out of this one.
Oh, because you're in it for a sell.
Yeah.
Oh, no. It's going up. If anything, it may muck around at that midline. It could, you can see what it does sometimes around the midline. It sort of just goes sideways. It could just come up and go sideways a bit before it does push up. I think it'll push up.
Yeah, or it could go up and have a pullback. Or it could just keep going up, but I'm screwed.
You're screwed if it does.
Either way,
That's
I'd
right,
rather
yeah.
take the funds.
Oh, look, you've got that and that. No, this is going further.
Yeah. All right, I'm out of this.
Is that all? Have I covered them all? I'm trying to think. Just have a quick look here.
Give us more than 8, didn't you, Darren? Or no?
And I'm just waiting. Well, I'm getting ready to get into CAD CHF. I was just waiting to make sure that the long signal sort of held. So, sometimes they disappear. The candle sucks back down and they disappear. But
Gotcha.
I'll get into that one.
Yeah, well, there'll be. Oh, we don't have a triangle here though.
Yeah, I've got one. I have. Yeah.
You have. You got a green triangle.
I have. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh. Wow, that's weird. Okay, yeah. Well, right, yeah.
All right, I got to go move the truck. I'll be back. See you later, guys.
Yeah. No worries at all.
Yeah. And then there's just a couple of others that I'm sort of waiting on. USD CAD. I see that's continue to push up today, so I'm waiting for that to turn.
Yeah. Well, I was in it for the sell, but you're right. It's USD CAD on the daily.
Yeah. It's pushed outside the channel now, so I think that's about it. I think that's what I'm doing at the minute.
Yeah, no, it's well and truly. Well, it did there a bit there, but it's still. This is still pushing it, isn't it? It came back down. You can see it only came to the middle here and then pushed back up. And
it did.
It didn't come to the other side. I mean, it doesn't. It doesn't always come to the other side.
No, it doesn't.
But you're right here. And see, I got in this probably maybe a bit early on that. If you look at it on the 2 hour here, it was a short, and it's just pulled back up. It was here though. Yeah, that's on the 2 hour. So
I mean, any of those trades eventually could still turn into losers. It's it's still quite early days really, but
yeah, but you're looking at them for background trades though, aren't you?
Well, yes, or initial trade, and then potentially then
turn into a background trade.
Yeah, and then potentially look for opportunities to take additional positions. Or following the trend, I think, of the background trade. I think that's what I will stick to. I think. I don't think I'm going to try and counter counter that. I'll just sort of stick with the
well, you
direction
see
of the
it,
background chain.
if you look at it though, I mean, on a UCAD, I mean, it's down. This is now broken that high up here.
Yeah.
I mean, is that a because that's where you're waiting, yeah. Because if it does go into a sell, right, does go in, well, that's sold off there, then turn, push back up, and it's trying to sell here. You know, there's 3 in a row. This is what sort of got me yesterday when I went, look, there's the sell. It looks like we'll get a nice push back down, because here we've got a sell, down it went. Here we got a sell, down it went. You know, there was substantial number, and then it pushed back up. We got another sell. I thought, oh, that'd be great. But it came down and broke. And neither of these here did it break the high on its way back down. Now it's just done dip, zip, push back up.
Yeah.
Broken it. Now it's on the way back down again. It's like, oh, fuck it. Anyway, I mean, sometimes, as I've said plenty of times, you're not going to win every trade. Just
No,
simple as that. But it has been so far this week a little
Well, it's
jumpy,
NFP. It's non-farm payroll on Friday, isn't it? So
yeah.
it's always a bit of a funny week.
Yeah, it normally is the setup, isn't it?
Yeah.
And also to next week, it might not be that important for people in US and UK, but for us, RBA, they do a rate decision on Tuesday. So, and it's looking more likely they're going to push it up a bit, which people are hurting now. It's going to squeeze them a lot harder. All right. Rian, any questions? How'd you go?
No, nothing from me at the moment.
No. Now, I didn't get a chance to watch that video yesterday. Did you?
Neither have I.
Okay. I was trying to allocate some time, but it's like stuff happened and I just never got back to it. I still want to do that. We'll see. A few things on the agenda today as well. Anyway. All right. So for me, AUD CAD, I'm still in and it's still looking positive at this point. AUD CHF did the jump back up on the 2-hour and basically knocked me out, and that's okay. I wasn't allocated a lot to it. AUD JPY, I'm just gonna wait for things to kick in. All the JPYs all pushed up, didn't they? They did a nice sort of here we go, rails. Now, again, we have a sell, but it has continued back up, right? And so things are pushing against what we get, what we've been getting from the triangles. AUD NZD. Looking, hang on, I'm just gonna wait for I don't normally trade. So I don't, it's in the middle of the range here. It's got a long, I just don't really want to play with this. It's just not give me what I need. AUD Singapore. These are pullbacks here, and they might be, this might be good to look at for around Tokyo, my sort of 10 a.m. Where is it? Nope, no, not showing up. Okay, let's go to the 1 hour. Go to 2 hour. There's been a considerable drop there, pull back up to there, taking out that imbalance, and now it sort of pushed itself back down again. Oh, didn't want to show up, does it? No. See. Go to the 4 hour. There you go. Now it might come back to the 2 hour. Does test your patience sometimes when you wait.
It's been doing a lot of sideways stuff, this one, for a while now, hasn't it?
It
Seems to be.
It could seem to be doing that. Yeah, no, it's not in the. It's not in the range at the moment. You got, that sell was good. That buy was good. It's just, you're right. It's in the middle there. Now, the
On
AUD
the daily, it's been just going sideways on the daily.
Yeah, and it has also too AUD, USD as well.
Yeah.
But I'm in this one for the sell because where is it? Come on, come on. There. Now, why did I get into this? This is weird. Oh no, just looking at it. Like there's no green or red. Sorry, I don't have a red arrow, but I got into this for a sell. Anyway, okay. Oh, that's weird. Got a short there, pull back up, and then. Oh, okay. I don't know why I made a decision to get into that. Anyway, in 3 trades of that, they're all positive at the moment. But I don't have a, okay, no worries. CAD CHF for the buy, that's good. You can see now, end of New York, it's starting to pull back a little bit. Well, up nearly 30 pips on that. What's it got over here? We don't have a green triangle as yet, but it has pushed up. Weird. Do any of you have a green triangle down here? Yeah, I think you said you did. Didn't you say, Darren, you had a green triangle?
Yes, I think I do. Where are we? CAD
CHF on the daily.
Yeah, I've got a green triangle and I've got a long. You've got the long, haven't you? Yeah, I've got the green triangle. Yeah, I've got the green triangle.
Come on. Doesn't want to paint the. Oh, there it is now. Now I got a red. Right. Well, it might be a consideration to get out of this one. I'm going to wait for the market to change over and spreads to go to settle down a bit. Then I'll look at this one. Yeah, I'm just giving back a little bit on it at the moment as it sort of pushes back down with this. There are no others, so this could be a substantial pushback down. But as I said, like, you've got this up and down in a box. It's now pushed up, maybe. Oh, and overall on the daily, if you look at the daily over here, this is a long-term sellout. It's more likely to break this low down here. See where that white dashed line? So potentially this is back down that way, long term. Well, we'll see. Well, the CAD's pretty weak on it. Oh, wow, look at where the Japanese yen is now. Way down there. No, Okay.
Yeah, I think that was short-lived strength from the Japanese yen, I think.
Yeah. Yeah. It looks like it was just a jump and a bit of a fakey out and then ready to go in the other direction. So CAD J would have done, yep, it's done a jump. Have we got a sell yet? We need a sell and a short.
Hey, Brian, I got a question.
Mm-hmm.
So that strength meter that we have up there,
Yep.
it is the stronger of the pair picks the direction, and the weaker of the pair decides how fast.
Correct. Correct. Yeah.
Okay, I wanted to make sure.
And the closer they are together, like NZD, GBP, NZD, the more inclined for them to go sideways.
All right. Okay, thank you.
Yeah, no worries. So, and again, like we said yesterday, the market goes down, the market goes up. These strength things, they go down, they go up. So at the moment, this, well, that's that, but CHF is weakened off. So we'll just see. And the CAD's even lower, like they're next to each other. So we've got CAD JPY now, CAD down there and JPY together. But you can see here, this was that Japanese yen strength. And what we've got currently now, which is relative, is that sell looks like we're going to get into a potentially a sell. So again, I'm going to wait. I'll wait now. It's poked out of the channel, so it's more likely to pull back down. And if you had have seen these greens here, that even at the first one, you could have got into that buy up here. It would have come back and most likely stopped you out. But then you get another couple of greens and up it goes. We get along and then it shoots away. So, and you got one there. See, it's saying, oh, it's going to sell, but it didn't. It pushed back up. So now you get another sell, and it's like the further it moves out of this channel, the more likely it is it's gonna come back. So I'm looking at this CAD J for this one's for a at market changeover and into Tokyo, looking for the sell on that. CHF JPY. So see that these two together there. We may just do a sideways on this. It hasn't given us, well, I don't know, anybody else? It hasn't given me a red there yet. This could be just a little pullback before it does push up. Anybody got a red triangle up there on the 2 hour? We have on the daily. And we've got a short.
Yeah, I've got a red triangle on the 2 hourly on that one.
Just there.
Yeah, it's. I can see on mine that wick, that top wick has poked.
Yeah.
Outside of the top. Yeah.
All right. Well, I don't yet. All right then. Good. Good to know. Thank you. You're AUD. So in New York here, it's basically pushed back down. I don't have a red or a green. It's just been playing inside there. Okay. Not into that one. You're a CAD. It has definitely been pushing up, hasn't it? You look at the euro strength on it in relation to where CAD sits. And if you look at it, it's been sitting in that sort of top half of the channel. It hasn't really come down to the bottom at all. That's the only time. The rest of it has really been here, but we've now got 3 there. All right. Well, there's a short and a change. Are you in this one, Tom? Do you know? Got
No,
that?
I don't. I'm not sitting at my computer. I'm just watching you. I can't see what I've
yeah.
done.
No, that's okay. No worries at all. You will see there's a cell. Well, sorry, a triangle down, a short, and a change in color. This one is definitely one to watch at the moment.
Yeah. So as this is going to take a pullback
Yeah,
because you can see the color's already changing.
yeah,
As long as it stays red and doesn't break the high to the left,
yeah,
it's going to have to break that white wick,
yeah. This one here.
the bottom one.
The bottom down here, break that.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Well, we'll see what it does. That's what I'm saying. This one's on notice.
Just had a red triangle on the daily on that one as well now.
Did you?
Yeah.
Gosh, I don't know. Yeah,
But it's poked well outside the
it has, hasn't it?
channel, so I wonder why you've not got the red triangle there.
Because it's only wicks and it's sucked back.
Yeah, well, mine's only a wick, but it's still got the triangle.
Yeah, maybe I just got to message you and find out.
Yeah, running report and triangles report.
I've got the triangle showing on it. Yeah. Well, no, this is what we're doing. So as I see, as you said, Tom, this depends on how much this will pull back before potentially it drops. And if it breaks that, if it breaks even this wick down here, and then down to there, that's, yeah, into the sell end. I mean, these are only been, you can see that's a sellout too. But it never changed the SHA. That was a sellout, but it never changed the SHA there. This is the opportunity where it's changed. Oh, no, I can't have 2. Heart's busy at the minute. Okay. All right. Can you be able to play? Go and sit down for a minute, will you?
No,
Yes, please.
no,
Yeah, no, go
no.
on. Yeah, well, you'll need to. All right. So that's the CAD Euro CHF. We've got a couple of triangles on there as well, but it's still green. So just wait for this. Euro GBP. Whoa, that one did a drop. If it, excuse me, guys, focus in, please. Thank you. There you go. That one has done and I don't think I have. There's nothing here on the daily. I don't have any triangles here on the 2 hour. That was a considerable move though. Well, you can see it drop, another drop there, but it's not breaking these lows here. So this could just push back up. All right. Just, yeah, Euro GBP, I'll just leave that one for a moment. Euro JPY. Yeah, that's after that push up. I still think this will, yeah, look at this. Sells. Right. Just playing around now at the end of New York.
And
this
yet it's
one.
selling.
It's what?
And yet it's not selling. That's why I'm
No,
saying you
correct.
turns red and you get that sell signal.
Yeah, correct. You want a sell signal, yeah, from the twin range, and then whether you get a change in the SHA. That's one I want to watch, though. You're at NZD. Yeah, in the middle, don't even worry about it at the moment. It's just not, we want more impulsive moves. So US Singapore is one I want to look for. There's a short there. But on the, see how it, that look at that massive wick. Massive wick. The push up and back down again. It's still sitting in the middle line. Euro USD. This one. Pushed out that trend line, hasn't it? It's look at that one. Sold, short, bang, change. Now it's doing a pullback. Let's see what happens there before, if we get another pushback down. Right, the GBPs, GA. No, that's going to be pushed out. Oh no, we're still going up. Yeah, I don't have a green triangle there, so there's sort of this for the last few days, like the end of the week and these few days, there's not been as dramatic a move in all of these pairs. GBP CAD, I still reckon it's got further to go up. Long term here. See that? The imbalance is up there. I think I said this yesterday. At any time here for a buy still, there is no green. It's way back down here. Way back down here. This is back on the 28th of September. Okay. GBP CHF. Push back up. Now the point is, do we have, yeah, got the buy there on the daily, two of them, and a long. Right, it's at the middle now on the daily, but we've got this potential push down, but it has gone back up. Right, and these are taking over or are continuing this trend. Looks like the British pound. It's getting a bit of strength on it. Well, okay. So I reckon this will sell out. Look at that one day. How much is that?
That's two butterfly patterns right in a row.
300 pips in a day. Two butterflies, yeah. Correct. This is ready to sell out. This one I'm going to watch. We'll see. You'll have to. It's well and truly out of the channel. It pushed up, pull back, and now it's pushed back up. Now there's momentum to push it back. Oh yeah. QV, no, sideways. Then you put sideways. Now GU. This is, and the daily is getting messy there, isn't it? I did this such a good push down there. I think it's struggling. Look, you look at the strength of the US dollar and the British pound now, it's sort of more of a sideways movement. There's nothing there to to tell me too much of a chance of getting in and getting chucked out. All right, let's see NZDs. I'm still looking at this for the CAD. And yesterday just did an indecision, so no. NZD CHF. This is the one. One of the, you like these CHFs, Darren?
Yeah. Yeah.
Come on. Yeah, see, bye. And even here, all of these, it did pull back to there and then it's pushed back up. Whether it, because it's maybe getting ready to push back down. Probably better to keep away here, though. This dramatic push up, it's more likely to pull back down again. It pulled back down and then it pushed back further up. So I'll be waiting here for this. Yeah, look at this. Tink. Let's just wait for this to sell. A lot of JPYs. And you? It's doing a pullback at the moment. It did break structure nicely there, right? Let's see. Come on. Oh, no. Okay. So it didn't come to the other side of the rail. Now, let's go leave that one too. Singapore Japanese. This one might be a good one to have a look at too. After that big push up, more likely we'll have a, how many pips was that in a day? 150, that's good. Yeah, getting ready to do the turn. UCAD is the only painful one for me. Sell, it hasn't come up here to sell. All right then. We're still going to continue, isn't it? At the moment. Right, I'm keeping out of that one. USD CHF again. This one will probably be. Well, that could continue, couldn't it? Come on. No. Doesn't want to show up. See if it brings a pattern up. Didn't get a yellow, didn't get a green here, but it's definitely pushing back. Okay, USD CHF. Right, but we've got potentially a turn for a sell. There's no green down here. Could push higher. You know, there's more imbalance up in here. Anyway, just watch. UJ. Okay. That's good. Don't know about that. We'll see. Got it on a watch. USD Singapore. There's a few I'd like to take, but this one as well. Nowhere near out of the boundaries. We haven't got that. Okay. And then what's gold? Yeah, it's just sideways and dropped out. Okay, so US dollar has strengthened, so gold's dropped down. Rightio. And some were saying, you know, looking, Bitcoin's gone and jumped. It's 34. Did that big jump up here back 24th of October, and now it's sort of going sideways. It's getting wanting to drop back out again. Okay. That's it. Questions, feedback. Things going well? I still think the strategy is really good.
Yeah. But it's certainly relaxed. That's for sure.
It is, yeah. Yeah, I just sat down after market like 10 o'clock, my 10 o'clock yesterday, and went like, oh, well, there's a couple. Yeah, I'll get those. And then look at it again around London Open, have another look. Oh, yeah, seems to be okay. And then go to sleep. It's like,
Yeah. Well, I'm only looking a couple of times a day now in the morning, and then sort of in the evening around about this time. Well, evening for us, obviously, morning for you.
yeah, for you. That's right. Yeah, no, that's all
so
fine.
a couple of times a day, that's all it needs.
Yeah, that's good. I'm still in the AUD CHF. It hasn't kicked me out quite yet. I'm 43 pips down, but we'll see. See what happens at market changeover. The spread might make the difference. All right. Well, I'll see if I can get to that video today, Rian. And see if it makes any sense. Like if we get any insight into the alert stuff.
Yeah, I don't know yet.
All right, no worries.
Good.
If there's nothing else, take it easy. I'll see you tomorrow.
Yeah.
Take care,
Okay.
everyone.
Ciao.